In most residential homes in the United States, what is the standard voltage supplied to general-purpose wall outlets? 120 volts AC. What is the primary purpose of a low-voltage landscape lighting transformer in a residential outdoor lighting system? To convert standard 120 volts AC household voltage to a safer 12 volts or 24 volts for outdoor lights. A 300-watt transformer for landscape lighting is rated for a maximum load of 300 watts. If each LED landscape light uses 10 watts, what is the maximum number of lights that can be safely connected? 30. Why should a standard indoor 1 to 3 outlet power strip with a switch not be used outdoors for powering garden lights or speakers? It lacks weather resistance and may pose an electrical hazard when exposed to moisture. When installing outdoor speakers, why is it important to use outdoor rated speaker wiring instead of standard indoor speaker wiring? It is designed to resist UV radiation, moisture, and temperature fluctuations.